Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Aquarian Phoenix 21-foot by 52-inch pool with pump and cleaning accessories. Get outdoors and have some fun in the sun this summer with the Phoenix Series pool. This set includes a 21-foot by 52-inch pool, sand filter and pump, 21-foot pool liner, skimmer, pool ladder, and pool net. The steel pool frame features 6-inch steel top rails, 5-inch steel vertical posts, and 2-piece injection molded, high-impact resin connectors. Don't miss out on the fun you could be having with your family and friends this summer and add the Phoenix Pool Kit to your backyard party. Product benefits: fully integrated sand pump filters, 2,400 gallons per hour. Steel construction on all components for lasting durability. The filter features a powerful 40-gallon per minute. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.